So you go into settings once again, and the checkout process is done. Now notifications is what probably we are. All right, so this was the same one. So order confirmation, order cancelled. If you want to change any of these templates, you can do that right now over here, or you can just see that how it looks like. But I generally keep it same. So send email to Pratik Churasma as test email, blah blah blah. Desktop notifications, I'll enable them, allow, and that's it. Right now I don't want to do anything. I'll go back to settings. Then I'll go back to shipping. Now in shipping, you have your address, which you can change it later on, and this is where most of the part is dealing upon. Now, as you will be using for drop shipping, uh, in the shipping zones, what I'll do is I'll first of all change the country, and I'll write this as Germany location. Like, this is just for my reference, and this is what I want to edit, and I don't want everything. So I'm gonna search for places. Let's say Germany. No results for Germany. Ooh. Alright, so this is edit states. How bad I am. Let's delete this, add countries. Let's click on this and Germany. Select add. And now price based rates or weight based rates. I'm not gonna go into weight based rates right now. I'm gonna go into price based rates. I'm gonna click on this add rate. Now just to have, now this is something which will be visible to customers or when they are checking out. All right, so make sure you have something which is like good enough. So I'll keep it standard shipping, and then minimum order price, if it is from 0 up to $99, that is $99.99, I would have a shipping cost of 9.95 or 9.97. All right, this is what I want. So once again, I'll tell you, my standard shipping for the entire store would be, if a customer is placing an order, total order value, like let's suppose if they have purchased one product, two products, or three products, if they have added 5 products enough, all right, so even 5-10 products, the total value of the cart, if it is between $0 and $99.99, then there would be an additional standard shipping cost added to the total value, which would be $9.97. All right, I'll tell you why we do this later on. So I'll say done. Another rate which I'll add is, I'll say as free shipping. This is also something which your customers will be able to see at the checkout. So I'll say free shipping, and I will say the rates as 99.99 and maximum order price no limit, and I'll say free shipping rate. All right, so above 99 I don't want to charge anything to them, and free shipping. So I'll click on done. Now these are the 2 rates which I have right now. I'll click on save, and that's all I need as of now. You don't have to worry about the weight based rates. This would be there, but later on. Right now, don't worry about that. Then we'll go back to settings or shipping basically, and in the shipping, based on your location, if you want to have different locations, let's say Germany is one place, then second place you want to ship it to US, you want to have it France, India, depending on that, just keep on adding the zones, and whatever you wish, you can have the similar ones. All right, so that is how it works. For the time being, I'll just keep it Germany, and rest of the worlds I'll keep on editing them. I'll click on edit, and I don't want this zone, so I'll delete this zone. I just want one zone for this store right now, which is Germany, right? Which is Germany. So I have the standard shipping, I have the heavy good shipping. So I'll actually go into edit once again, and I'll delete the weight based prices. So I'll delete them. I'll click on save, and let's go back. Ooh, thirsty. Just had a sip of water. So go back to settings, shipping. So we're done with shipping. Let's click on files. This is a new option. So you haven't uploaded any files, you can use file section to upload image, videos, and other documents. Later on, it's not necessary. So this is what is settings all about. I guess settings we have covered most of the parts. We haven't covered sales, taxes. Taxes is fine. Let's go into taxes. So it says all taxes are included in my price. So I'll say yes. Charge taxes on my shipping rates. No, that's fine. I'll say save. All right. I'll say save. I'm okay. All right. That's fine. So this is my tax settings. And other than that, so settings is done. Now let's go into online store. And over here, before I go into online store, let me just brief you about these upper options, which is home. So if you go into homes, like home, you'll see this plain and simple dashboard. Now, as you move further, as you have a couple of orders coming into picture, you will start seeing your reports over here on the home dashboard itself. Which probably if I get a chance, once I start generating some revenue with this particular store, I'll show you later on how it looks like if I get a chance in another video, some other video. Other than that, this is orders. Once you start getting orders, you'll see all your orders over here along with the customer details, abundant checkouts as well. Then whatever products you upload over here, which you'll do right now in a while, which is an automated process, which you'll definitely like it. You don't have to manually upload anything. So this is something which you have products, you can have collections. So collections is basically, let's say if you go into any particular store and you see a category, so that is what is collection. So it's a plain and simple, some other word in here. You can have some gift card, which we'll talk about later. Customers, you get all your customer data over here. You can see your analytics, how you're performing, how your store is performing, everything over here in one go. So total online store visits 3. So it was me only who visited this store right now, right? Repeat customer rate, total sales, online store conversion rate, blah, 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 tons and tons of things. So trust me guys, $79 a month, if you're serious about your e-commerce business, it's nothing, all right? Trust me, it's nothing. It's like $80 if you're Indian, it would convert somewhere around like 8, 7, 40, 5,000 rupees, 5,000 bucks a month. Now, if you're running a business, 5,000 is a must. You have to invest to get money. All right, so reports and then discounts. You can have discount coupon codes, which we'll talk about later on. And you have your app store. So app store is basically plugins which you add. So it's an add-on, right? Add-on to the functionality of your Shopify store, which I will definitely talk about now in a couple of seconds. Next, you have online stores, which we're talking about. So themes, right? How do you want to look your theme? You want to customize your theme, so you can click on customize over here, and it will start giving you various different options on the left hand side depending on your theme. Now these options are not same. It might be a varied thing depending on your theme. These options totally depend on what theme you are using. So this particular thing is depending upon my theme, which is Brooklyn right now. More actions it says, blah, 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 blah. All right, so I'm not going to go into that. So let's say sidebar menu. I don't want sidebar menu. Header, let's click on header. Upload image. It's like logo image. So I'll show you one tool which is free, which you can use to create a wonderful logo for your Shopify store. So for that, what you'll do is shopify.com/tools. I suppose this is the link. Yes, this is the one. All right, so you scroll down and here it is, logo maker. You click on create a logo, type in your business name, whatever you wish to have. So I'll say official dogs lover. Alright, so it starts typing over here. I'm going to have that black color. Let's say I'm going to change the font to official dogs lover Oswald. Alright, so you don't have much of an option over here. Quicksand, no. So I'll go with Oswald. It's fine. Other than that, I'll have this bone. Alright, you can scroll down. There are various different options. All right, click on load more, but I like this bone because it's dog. Now where do I want this bone? Also icon size, so you can have small, big, blah blah blah. I'll keep it medium. And then you have the frame. You can have something like this. This is looking good. All right, then the position of the logo, you can click on this, upper, down, left hand side, right hand side. Left hand side is good for me, but I'll make this caps lock, official dogs lover. No, it's not at all looking good, so let's keep it small case and let's click on get logo.